Hi, I'm Steve with T-Rex. We manufacture the highest quality tape products on the market, and as you can see, we have a full assortment of tape technologies and accessories. Today, I'm going to explain the benefits of T-Rex superglue tape versus traditional glues. Traditional superglues and other glues can be used for a variety of repairs, and they're great because of their pinpoint accuracy and because the liquid adhesive can flow into cracks and odd surfaces. Some problems with traditional superglues and other glues is that they have longer dry times. They can stain surfaces or they can bloom into materials, so you might see the glue even after it's dry. Another problem, they could stick your fingers together and be an eye irritant. Biggest problem for me though is that the glue can dry out in the tube, which can be very frustrating. T-Rex superglue tape is a double-sided tape with a high-tack, aggressive acrylic adhesive. That adhesive is also clear, so it's great for discrete repairs if you have a repair where you might be able to see the tape, but you don't want to see that tape. It sticks on contact a variety of surfaces like ceramic, concrete, glass, fabrics, metals, and plastics. It also works on tile and wood and painted wood. And most importantly, it won't stain those surfaces or bloom into the surfaces, so you won't see that tape. I also really like that it will not dry out like a superglue, so you can put this in your toolbox and not worry about it. As you can see, T-Rex superglue tape has a wide variety of uses, whether at home or on the job site. Learn more about T-Rex superglue tape and all of our ferociously strong products at trextape.com.